I've given the command deploy AMQ streams Kafka cluster in the Minikube cluster. So initially, oh, the word random message file. Okay. So I've asked open code to deploy AMQ Kafka cluster. So immediately checked in the manifest, it is shaping, yeah, and then it has started installing. So I'm going to record the whole session, so you guys can see what is happening. So as you can see, it checks for manifest by itself. It does installation by itself. It also checks the health of the cluster by itself. So for example, yesterday when I was installing uh, the Kafka cluster, the Elk cluster, it did a health check on Elk, and until like some pods are failing. So until the Elk cluster is not up, it kept troubleshooting and it kept fixing the issue. So that's the beauty of it. I mean, it not only installs, it auto checks it. It does a check. So for example, if you install something new, Minikube or Nginx service or Elk stack, or so whenever you install something new, you happen to verify it or check it whether it's running successfully, it's healthy, etc., etc. So even that check is done by Big Pickle by itself without you telling it. So all you have to do is just give one prompt, which points to one action. Example: deploy a Kafka cluster, deploy a Elk stack, deploy hello world application, example anything, whatever, and it will do all the check. First thing is it will deploy it. The second thing is it will do all the checks by itself. So as you can see, it is describing the pod, it is getting, for state season message. So basically it is doing all the checks for you. It is trying to get out CTL get event. So it does all this by itself. You don't have to do anything. Like all you have to do is just give one command, one prompt, that is deploy a AMQ stream Kafka cluster, and that's it. So yesterday I cut short the video. So today I'm going to record the whole session, and I'm going to follow, everything which this people is doing. And by the way, this model is for free. All you have to do is install open code, and that's it. So parallelly, okay, it's sleeping for 90 seconds. That's why it's taking time. So parallelly, while we are waiting, we can run these commands on the terminal. Oh, it is already run. Oh, it's gone ahead. Running. Flimsy cluster operator is running. So it has installed a new cluster, new operator called Strimzy cluster operator. Yeah, it is applying. So can you see? It is really cool. I mean, this is unbelievable. I mean, if you just, I mean, back in the day, I had to do all this manually by myself. Now I can see the agent doing it in front of my eyes, and it is also posting the commands. So it is, yeah, so it is deleting this Kafka node pool controller proper. So, like, so first thing is this agent is doing everything. Parallelly, you also get a chance to, learn. So it is printing all the commands, everything, all the manifests. So for Kafka cluster, you need a Kafka node pool. You need this, you need that. So I'm kind of parallelly learning as well. And you can copy all these commands in a notepad. You can go through them parallelly. So open code is really awesome. I mean, if you deploy one of these agents, you don't have to do anything. I mean, yeah, so there is this thing the operator. Can you see? So this is a new operator. I've installed logging operator. I've installed elk stack. So all this is done by open code. So it's really fascinating. I mean, uh, up till now there was no such tool. So all these chats, like so all these models, all these AI models, it was only limited to a chat copilot, chat GPT, GPT, whatever, and you had to copy all the code. Like it did not really have access to your system. Uh, so I'm trying to recollect. So there was one application by where you could give commands. So some people have already done it, but then it is just translating the command, your voice command into a command. It doesn't have the ability to think and actually do the complete task. So this is almost agentic AI. Like, yeah, that's it. I think I can stop the video. I just wanted to show that it is capable of installing a new Kafka cluster, and at the moment as it has installed the operator. So this video may get too long, so we can catch up in the next video. Okay, cool.